Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Think Woodworks. I'm Izzy Swan, and today I'd like to talk to you about pocket hole joinery, or a lot of guys call them Kreg joinery, or use a Kreg jig or a pocket hole jig to make the holes for doing all kinds of different things in the construction industry, furniture, cabinetry. Today I'm working on the sofa tabletop, and one of the ways I fasten the tops to the aprons is I use pocket hole jigs, and I'm not sure, let me see if I can see that there. Right here, there's a pocket hole and a pocket hole right here, and I'll just put the top on and fasten it up through those holes, and I elongate them a little bit to allow for some movement. But you know, that's one little tip for using one way you can use a pocket hole. Another way is, here's a little utility cabinet that I built for the shop. And you know, if I were to use traditional methods, this would take quite a while, but with pocket hole joinery, I was able to build this whole thing out of some scrap wood. I think it took me 2 hours. I build my drawer boxes out of with pocket hole joinery. You can see that here, where I use pocket holes. And on the insides here, if I can see that, lighting's probably terrible. Right here I use pocket hole joinery, and that's how I put my drawer boxes together. All my cabinetry work is done. You know, the carcass itself is all put together with pocket hole joinery, and those are just two very basic methods of using pocket hole joinery. I use it a lot, and I'm cheap, so I don't want to go out and buy some fancy, you know, jig or you know, powered machinery to make these pocket holes for me. So what I did is made my own. I don't know if you can see all that, but this right here, it's just a bunch of scrap wood, and I don't know, I think I might have $20 into it. That includes the bit and this little Kreg piece I used. The way it works is you put your step drill into your drill, and this is a homemade toggle clamp. You just put this piece in here, push the foot pedal on the bottom, and then run that down, and that creates your pocket hole. Now, I threw this together really hastily because I needed one for a lot of cabinetry work. I was building a display case for a t-shirt company, and I had a large amount of pocket holes to do, and I didn't want to go out and spend $150 or $200 on a decent Kreg jig, so I just whipped this together. Now, it's so handy and so fast, I decided I'm going to make a more permanent one that I can use for years to come. And I will show you guys that, the process and all that, when I'm done. So keep an eye out, subscribe, see future videos, and this is the next big project. I've got some sofa tables to build first, and then I'll get to it. So hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out my other videos, see some cool homemade shop tools and furniture. Thanks again.